wish I could see my. This light is. Yo, what is good, Unorthodox gang? We lit back with another video, and today we are doing a Lil Uzi type beat. If you haven't read the title already, this should be pretty dope beat. We're just gonna get into like making happier sounding type up tempo type beats. That's what Lil Uzi does a lot. I mean, he does sad beats too, but like that's for another video. But that's what we're gonna be doing today. If you guys like the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget. Excuse me. Don't forget to share this with your friends. We want everybody to see this. We want everybody to join with our Unorthodox gang.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You know, so don't forget to share. Also, my $25 Amazon gift card giveaway is still going on. Check out my 1,000 subscriber video to see how you can enter that. I'll leave a link in the description. You can download my drum kit. Link is also in the description for that. And wait, don't forget to subscribe, all right? Turn on post notifications while you're at it. And yeah, I think that's about it. We're gonna get into this video, and I'll see y'all on my computer. Peace. All right, so we're back on my computer for this Uzi type beat. As always, I'm gonna start off with a piano. Get my melody going. One of these days I need to start off with like an actual synth, but like that's much harder for me, so I'm not gonna do that. So today we're just gonna use the white keys because we want to keep it in the major scale, because you know those type of Uzi beats are in major scale. So we're just gonna get into it. Okay, now time to find another sound. I don't know why I keep going into these. Let's look at these. What are these sounds? Like, what? No. I kind of like this. I hate that song. Okay, this song is pretty nice. This song is fire. Ooh. Wow, okay, I like this sound. Let's see. Lil Uzi tutorial.
Uh-oh, retard alert!
Yeah, we're saving this. Nah, none of these. Alright, you know what? We're just gonna take the safe route and just use this. Yeah, so. Oh, I'm sure it takes too long to load. Alright. BPM analog. Let's see what this does. Let's see some. I think I can make another melody. Let me use it. Come on. Okay, this is nice. Let me turn this up. Alright, so it sounds kind of like spacey and cool, so I'm just gonna add some drums now before I mess it up. Alright, this gotta turn. Oh, this has to go up. Okay, now I'm gonna add the 808, just, or you know what, I'm gonna add spins, might add spins, because cut it. Don't forget, you gotta make sure you cut it. Make sure you click this cut itself thing so that the 808s don't bleed over into each other when they play one after the other. Forgot the word for that, but yeah, make sure you use this for your 808s if they have a long tail like this one. As you can tell, a very long tail. Let's actually make this 808 sound nice. Alright, cool. Alright, so I can't hear anything because these are loud as hell, so I'm going to turn these down. I wonder what this would sound like. I'm going to copy this pattern over, turn this off, trim that, D. Okay, I might have to do something with the melody though, because this is a lot right now. So I have a trick up under my sleeve. I have a trick. Don't worry. Don't worry. It sounds, I know it sounds like aliens trying to land on Earth right now, but just wait. Alright, just wait. The melody will be fixed. Alright. You know what? I don't like these hi-hats. They don't have a nice sound. This one has a nice sound. I'm gonna use this one. Okay, let's calm the flip down. Okay, alright, there we go. Before I go any further with this, I'm sorry, the 808 and the kick need to be heard. Like, I can't hear that. I need to hear that. No, ew, who uses Fruity Hammer GQ1? Ew, no. What? I want this to be as loud as possible without sounding distorted. Oh, and you can't forget, get rid of this stupid ass fruity limiter. Yo, shout out to whoever told me about fruity saw clipper. Let's bring these down. I feel like I can't bring this any lower. Yeah, I can bring them lower. Bring it out, bring them out, bring them out. It's hard to yell with the barrels in your mouth. Oh, that's fire. I don't know if you guys are gonna like this beat, but I honestly like it. I think it's pretty dope. Yeah. Oh no! Do not do that. Let's bring this out and then just, no, do not flip it. Do that. Yes, there we go. And boom. All right. Oh, yeah, it's way better than spins on you. You know what I'm gonna add? I'm gonna for once in one of my beats, I might add the shaker. I just might add the shaker. I have never added the shaker to any of my beats, but if it works, I might add it. I've never added this sound before because I honestly don't know where to put it. Oops. No, we're not using the shaker. Alright, no, I think the beat's done. It's over. Wow, that beat came out a lot better than I expected. Wow. Okay, well, if you guys like the video, make sure you leave a like, of course. Don't forget to share with your friends, because you know we need everybody joining the Unorthodox gang. You know what I'm saying? So make sure to share it. Don't forget, I still got the giveaway going, $25 Amazon gift card giveaway. Make sure you enter that. And the way to enter it, you gotta go to my 1,000 subscriber video, check it out. All the info on how to enter is in it. What else I want? Oh yeah, if you want to download my SoundCloud bundle, links in the description. As always, download it. Got plenty of sounds and midis, Nexus presets, and drum kits, and a whole bunch of stuff there. Completely free for you guys, because you know what I'm saying, I appreciate y'all so much for getting me to 1K subs. It's crazy. So thank y'all so much. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I was like, how did I forget that? Don't forget to subscribe. Alright, subscribe. Only getting bigger. And yeah, man. Don't forget to turn on post notifications as well, so you don't miss a video or live stream. And yeah, I think that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video once again, and I'll see y'all for the next